Today's our topic is significance importance of management principles. Significance or importance of management principles. Proper understanding of management principle is very necessary. Principles is very necessary but helpful for managers as these principles act as a guideline for managerial activities. By practicing principles, managers can avoid various mistakes while dealing with the people in the organizations. So, some significance number one, providing managers with useful insight into reality. Number one, providing managers with useful insight into reality. So, how management principles act as a guidelines for the managers. Management principles act as a guidelines for the manager, and these principles improve knowledge, ability, and understanding of managers. Three things will be improved. Number one, knowledge. Knowledge is very important. Next, ability, and last one is understanding of managers under various managerial situation. The effect of these principles help the managers to learn from their mistakes. These principles guide managers to take right decisions at the right time. Taking guide managers to right decisions at the right time. Number 2, optimum utilization of resources. The management principles insist on planned activities and systematic organization of men and material in the organization. Principles are designed to get maximum benefit from the human efforts and other resources. For example, scientific principles suggest to cut down the wasteful movement and setting up of understanding time to complete a task. By saving time, energy and effort, activities can be made economical and result in maximum utilization of resources. Number third, scientific decisions. This is also one very important scientific decisions. Managers have to under take a number of decisions every day. The management principles enable the managers to approach various problems systematically and scientifically. Managers have to take number of decisions every day, and the management principles enable the managers to approach various problems systematically and scientifically. For example, taylor's taylor's principles always insisted on replacement replacement of rule of thumb by scientific approach. That is, he suggested to conduct the time study to set up the standard time required to perform a job rather than leaving it at the dis- discretion or will of managers. That means certain time will be work completed. Next is meeting changing environment requirement. Every businessman has to make changes in the organization according to change taking this place in the business environment. Management principles train the managers in implementing the changes in right decision, right direction, and at right level in the organization. Although management principles are relative and general guidelines. At by modifying these principles, changes can be done in the organization. Number 5, effective administration. Administration is the function. Administration is the function of top level management. In this function, major plans and policies are formed. The management principles act as guidelines and best to form various administrative policies to have systematic working in the organization. For example, principle of unity of command, scalar chain, unity of direction leads to systematic and smooth functioning of the organization, as unity of command avoids confusion of more bosses, and unity of direction unifies the effort of all the employees in common direction, and a scalar chain result in systematic flow of information. So all these principles definitely bring effective and efficient administration. So it is a very effective administration. Next is fulfilling social responsibilities. A business is creation. A business is creation of society and makes use of resources of society, so it must do something for society. Also by performing some social responsibilities. Social responsibilities, management principles not only act as a guidelines for achieving organizational objectives, but these principles also guide the managers to perform social responsibility. For example, principle of fair remuneration insist of adequate salary to employees and take care of interest of employees also. For example, principle of fair remuneration insist on adequate salary to employees and takes care of interest of employees also. And the last one is management training, education and research. The management principles stress on scientific judgment and logical thinking. As a result, these principles act as base of doing research and development in management studies, as the principle provide organized body of knowledge to perform research work and generate more and more knowledge. They have provided a new ideas, imagination and base for research and development. Principles of management are at the core of management theories. These act as base for management training and education. And education. Professional courses such as BBA, MBA also teach these principles as part of their curricular curri, curriculum. All the management institute take aptitude test, and these tests are based on management principles also. So we have seen total 4 significance of principles of management. Okay, thank you.